What's going on, everyone? Welcome to the channel. Thank you for dropping by and thank you for watching. Nolasco here. In this channel we talk about lifestyle and sneaker related stuff, and today's episode, yes, I'm gonna share to you my worst sneaker buy as a reseller. And this is some more 5 sneaker that I bought and I regret buying as a reseller. So with that being said, let's go. So I have here 5 sneaker that I bought
Regret buying as a reseller because they are worse.
in reselling right now. And I mean, during the time that I'm buying them, they were like, it was like irresistible to buy them because the price, it is really good. When I saw them, I did like immediate buy. And
The keyword for the day would be research, research, research. So,
all right, so let's move on. Okay, first up, this is a random order. I got the Woman LF1 Fly Network boots, and check this out, $39.97. And then if you see 97, it means there's additional discount. I can't remember if it's additional 30, but usually I put them like 30% off. So $39.97 with the additional 30% off. But check the retail. Check the retail. The retail is 200. So wow, that was when I saw them. That was like immediate buy. So I grabbed a lot, and way back then I'm still on my own. I don't have my family with me to buy, so I have only got 10 of this. Good thing is not that high investment because it's $39.97 with additional 30%. But when I way back then when I was looking, is the retail is 200, and you can buy them for $39.97 with additional 30. Wow. Oh, okay, here you go. So after the discount, there is $34.21. Boom. There we go. It is a deep burgundy colorway of a work boots. It's somewhat like a snow boots, and some, I don't know, because I wouldn't say it's like actual work boots, because it say work boot, but it is very soft on the toe box. So probably mainly, I don't know what they're gonna use this one, but looks like it is a good one. Traction here, because I got me one of this kind as a winter boots. It is really good as a traction. But I don't know. This one has been sitting like more than a year now. I did pick up 9, and oh no, I picked up 10, but then I did sold out probably just 2, and I'm still sitting on 8 of this one. And it is one of the worst buy because it has just immediate buy, and I didn't do much of my research. Way back then, I don't do much research, and I just thought the price not bad. So I'm gonna teach you more about the research in this channel. Well, so this one, bought them $34.21 plus tax, and one of the worst buy. I regret buying. So moving on with another
worst buy or regret buying as a reseller. I
got the Nike Air Max Flare, and the colorway, and this one is light bone colorway, and pick this up for $39.97, and then after the discount it is $30 on this one. Boom, check that out. I mean, like when I saw them, $30 for this one. I can't remember the retail though, but usually 180. And if we are talking about Air Maxes, and this one is the Air Max Flare, and I was thought it was really good looking sneaker, especially like that, the Air. But probably just because of the colorway, maybe that's why. But some of the good colorway is the black and the white written here, the Air one, like the Air written on this one. So I don't know what's going on. And also this one I bought like 20 pair of this one, and it's sitting like a dog. Oh, I would say that one is the worst and regret buying because it's been sitting like more than a year. And during that time, I believe it was the Thanksgiving holiday, after the Thanksgiving holiday. So I went to Indiana first to get more, buy more, and then go back to Louisville and then purchase 20 of this one because I got my family with me, so I got more than 10, but worst buy and regret buy because the my money has been sitting more than a year, which is I regret buying them. And I still sitting somewhere 10 or 15 on this kind. And so what I did is I got me one for collection. So I think another one is here. Oh, there you go. That, but I haven't got a chance to wear them yet. Okay. All right, that is the second worst pair that I regret buying. So next one, we got some.
Jordan.
What? How come are you regret buying a Jordan? And it is the worst buy because this one is the Jordan Jumpman Hustle, and this colorway is the dark Concord, white and black. And check out the price, $39.97, and then additional 30%. So came down to $30 for Air Jordan, and the retail on this one is 110. Come on. Yeah, I know. Boom. It is really good buy, I thought, because it is Jordan, and I don't know what went wrong, why it's not selling very well. And actually, I did send some of this in the Philippines, so they are still sitting right there. I don't know. But then, as you can see, it has a icy bottom. Maybe it's because of the zipper. That's why they don't want it, especially as a basketball shoes right there. And the top is just a low cut Jumpman. That's why probably worst buy and regret buying. But $30. I wish I got me the size 10 and a half so I just could wear it. But I got size 9, and it's still sitting here for probably less than a year, somewhere 9 months, or probably somewhere 10 months, and it's not moving, and I can't resell them, and I just don't want to lose my money, so I'll just wait out. Maybe maybe donate it someday or give it away. But I'll just wait until I get my money. Just if I got 5% to 10% return of investment, I'm cool with that. Another worst buy, and I regret buying as a reseller. Moving on, we got a Nike Moon Razor, and the color is the black, white, wolf, and gray. And this one, bought them for $69.97. This one, they don't have a additional discount when I bought them, because I believe this one I bought somewhere Chicago area, and they don't have it was weekdays back then, so they don't have additional discount. And I was looking through comps, and it was good. I don't know what happened, probably because the price dipped like very low after I bought them. That's why a lot of reseller are now selling them on this price. Probably if I waited out, I made that mistake. Probably that was happening right now, because it is not really selling. I mean, like I bought 8 this kind, and the thing I did is I didn't spread out the sizes. I grabbed size 10.5, as you can see. Okay, this one has a good bags, dust bag, as you can see right there. And boom. So it was a classic shoe, especially the upper, as you can see right there. And they just did a new technology. You can see right here. Boom. And I don't know what's going on, and they're not really selling. But according to some of the reviews on the YouTube, it's because it's very high of this top midsole right here, and they are just like flipping. Other than that, bad review on YouTube. Probably that's why it's not reselling, and bought them $69.97 without a discount. That is one of the worst buy. It's a good thing it's a size 10.5, so probably I'll keep it. Lastly, this is one of
The first worst buy I did of them all.
because when I saw them, one instant buy again, and you have to do. But way back then, don't know much researching what is the good buy and the bad buys. And when I saw the 29, this one is 29.97, and I just immediately bought a lot. And probably, well, yeah, I did 10 pairs also on this one. So I got the women's Air Max Joe SE Premium and 29.97. So who wouldn't buy them for 29.97 with the additional 30%, and the retail on this one is 130. And I'm saying that way back then I don't know how to research the good buy and the bad buy. And just because it's very cheap, you might immediately buy them and thinking that it will sell out. Way back then, I'll just look into eBay, put on the code, and then when I saw them, some of them selling high like that. But way back then, I don't know how to navigate the eBay apps that you can see the sold, when they sold, what are the sizes being sold, something like that. And I didn't know that back then, so I just saw that they are selling, and I don't know how to research what is selling, or people are buying, or someone watching, or someone is looking into buying them. So it's just not because very cheap. So 29.97, 30% off, somewhere $20. It's not because they are very cheap. It is a good buy, and it is a good to resell. But there you go. It is a white summit white, and it's for premium. It says premium. Yeah, it's a premium kind of good leather, and something with a gold thing, with a gold accent of Nike Air and the tip of the shoelace. Well, I thought it was not bad for resale, and probably back then that's what a mistake. But did hold on this 2 years. 2 years holding on this one, because really nice color of the summit white with a little bit accent of the gold.
But it is a worst buy of them all.
And since doing that for almost 4 years now, that I learned how to do the research. So do your diligence to do research. That's why a lot of establishment doing the research before they do the actual business. So
My mistake way back then, worst buy of them all.
so anyway, what do you think on this one? If you think that they are a good buy or bad buy, if you're gonna keep them or resell them, well, I would love to hear your thought. This is my worst buy or the regret buying as a reseller. Alright, thank you for watching. Please leave a comment down below. Please leave a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.